everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard someone say easy peasy lemon squeezy or see you later alligator and thought what does that even mean? Don't worry. In this video I'll teach you 10 funny and useful English idioms and expressions that native speakers use in their daily conversations. These are easy, fun, and they will make your English sound much more natural. So let's get started. So the first is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So imagine your friend asks, was the exam difficult? So instead of saying it was very easy, you can say, no, it was easy peasy lemon squeezy. It simply means very easy. Number two is, it's not rocket science. Imagine your friend is confused about using a mobile app. So you can say, relax, it's not rocket science. It simply means it's not difficult as you think. Number three, break the ice. Imagine you are at a party, nobody is talking. One person tells a funny joke and everybody starts smiling. So he just broke the ice. It means started conversation and made everyone feel comfortable. Number four, on cloud nine. So you get your dream job. How do you feel? On cloud nine. It simply means extremely happy. Number five, spill the tea. Your best friend says, I have some exciting gossip. So you immediately say, come on, spill the tea. It means tell me the gossip and all the juicy details. Number six, under the weather. Someone asks, why didn't you come yesterday? You reply, I was under the weather. It means I was not feeling well. Number seven, hit the books. Your exam is tomorrow. No more scrolling. It's time to hit the books. It means study seriously. Number eight, see you later, alligator. This is just a fun way to say goodbye. The funny reply is, after a while, crocodile. Number nine, bite the bullet. You don't want to visit the dentist, but finally you go. It means you bit the bullet, meaning face a difficult situation with lots of courage. And the last is no cuts, no buts, no coconuts. Your teacher says, complete your homework today, but you start making excuses. Teacher smiles and say, no cuts, no buts, no coconuts. It simply means no excuses, just do it. So today you learned 10 fun and useful English idioms and expressions that can make your English sound much more confident and natural. So if you really enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you later, alligator.